Language is one of the most fascinating human capacity. Right from the very beginning, intellectuals have put in enormous effort in understanding what language is all about. What's the relationship of language with mind, and what's the relationship between language and society. Language is one of the most sophisticated product of human mind. This has been almost an acceptable fact. Language is a pairing of lexicon and syntax. It's a rule governed system. It has got underlying patterns, and it's largely used as a medium of communication. These are some of the generic aspects of language. What we would like to emphasize on while understanding language is a rule governed system. Language has got underlying patterns. The study of these patterns is part of understanding language. The study of these patterns is part of linguistics. In the study of language, when it is done in a systematic fashion, that whole domain is called linguistics. When linguists study only the pairing of lexicon and syntax, that is largely the study of a structure of language, and such a study is in the domain of linguistic competence, which is part of language and mind. In this course on language and society, we would like to understand the relationship between language and society. We would like to understand what are the underlying rules, underlying patterns that govern our linguistic behavior in the society. How society structures the use of language. The use of language in the real world is part of linguistic performance. It has also been called communicative competence. As we know, language is part of, we learn language with the presence of a hypothetical device in human mind, which is called language acquisition device. With this device, learning of language comes effortlessly. What also comes effortlessly, and we will underline through this course, is the rules of language use. And in this course, we would like to establish that the way human children are hardwired to learn a language right from the early childhood, right from the early stage, humans also learn the rules of language use effortlessly. And the relationship between language and society becomes part of universal understanding of language, universal principles of language. Thank you.